Sunday, everyone. Started off my morning with fasted cardio. I had to kind of choose my battles today. Was go to the gym or actually just go for a walk with Penny since I've been gone. Obviously, I chose to do that. We walked about 2 miles this morning, which is about the park that we go to. So I took her to go play for a little bit. And then after that, we came home. Woo, woo, woo. Yay, Mama. I had to call my sister, who's always the one to the rescue, asked her if she could come and hang out with Penny just for a little bit so that I could come buy my protein powder. I keep telling you guys that I'm going to show you which one it is, and I never do. So finally, here it is. This is actually the brand that I like to get. I really don't like protein powders, period, that's why I hate mentioning them. But you guys have been asking, so I thought I'd go ahead and include it in this video. Off to try and organize my house before the week starts because we leave again Wednesday, and you know, I don't have enough time. So looks like my Sunday is going to be spent getting organized, getting things together, and watching the Super Bowl here and there while still taking care of Penny. So let's go. I'm about to have this shake because I'm missing this meal. I was out of protein shake since I was gone. And now I'm going to meal prep some sweet potatoes because they're on my menu and I'm out of that. Again, we just came home yesterday, so a lot of the stuff isn't made. I want to just kind of show you guys what I like to do. I cut up all the sweet potatoes into really small. I dice them basically. All right, next we get a little Ziploc bag. Because there's a lot of them, you know, I pour quite a bit, but it's, don't overdo it because obviously the point is for them to be healthy. All right, then I use this seasoning right here. And of course, some Tony Chachere's. So. Now we just pour them in a little pan. Preheat the oven. It is right now at, let's see, 400. So we'll get it started. Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is having a great Monday. Today is day 23 for me of fasted cardio. And yes, it's another one of those days where it's like, hurry up because Penny has class in just a bit. So let's get going. So cardio and leg day is complete. And now look who I have back here. It's Penny on our way to her gym class because it's time for her to work out. So here we go. Alright guys, so finished up at Penny's class, went home, regrouped with...
Oh, hey, hello.
So we regrouped and now we're at y'all know where, our favorite spot, doing some work. Not that that's any interesting whatsoever, but filling y'all in. Here we go. Good morning, guys. We made it to day 24 of fasted cardio. It is 9:30 in the morning, a little later than I would like to have been here, but I kicked off my morning a little late, so I got thrown off just a tad bit. But we are off to do cardio, then it's time to do some shoulders. So let's go. Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, and we just landed in Nashville, Tennessee. I would have vlogged the trip here, except we woke up late, so we were in a rush. I don't know how we made it because literally we got up when we should have already been to the airport at the airport. But luckily, we have clear. There wasn't a line. Our flight was so early that the plane even took a while to actually take off. Almost.
So Chilla had one job this morning. set the alarm, make sure we're up.
And he, I guess, I don't know what he did.
I had my phone on silent, and I was like, oh, the alarm's still gonna go off, but I don't want all these little alerts. Like, you know what I'm saying?
So anyway, we barely made it. He had one job. It's all good. We're finally here. We got to go get our luggage, and then we got to go get a rental. So let's go. What's up, everyone? So we are back at the condo that the comedy club actually provides for the comedians. So it's pretty cool. We went and had breakfast. Insert picture here. I'm prepping. I still had to eat healthy, so there goes that. But now we're back, and I'm working, you know. Chingo's upstairs. He's actually studying his material for tonight's show, so let me keep working, because we're never done. We're out here, about to go to the coffee shop. It's across the street from the condo. It's so cold, guys. Sorry for this, but look who's here tonight. Shop we like to go to. It's really good. Just got to this gym site. Looks like it's more of a private gym, but we're gonna make it work, so stay tuned. All right, so we finally made it to the comedy club. Wanna say hi?
Hello. I'm about to make these some tea.
Where's Bryson? Bryson, how'd you do? Did you kill?
Oh yeah, they would love, man. They lovely out there, man. Shout out to Chingo and his people, goddamn. Straight out here. No complaints.
And then there's Lucy. Congratulations to Lucy! She just got engaged! All right, guys, I gotta go. All right, guys, we just pulled up to the house that the comedy club actually provides for the comics. As you saw, we were in a condo in Nashville that the comedy club also provides. So now we're pulling up to the house, so let's go.
You looking real suspicious.
I know.
Bobby's over there filming, my girl. You like he's a lookout. How do you look like he's a lookout?
A little tour of the house here. All right, we're pulling up to Chingo's Beat and Greet. Just kidding. My mouth is getting watery right now. Tarugos. What's up, everyone? We are now at the comedy club after much needed relaxing time. Getting ready. Out here, flex on the hose, boo.
Hold on.
Come on. And that's how Chingo flex.
I don't know how to do that little Fortnite.
Anyhow, show's about to begin. Bryson is on stage right now. We can watch him right there. And Javi's up next, and then it's Chingo. So he has to get to work. Bye. All right, we finished up. How's everyone feeling back there?
Good.
It is so cold out here, guys. We made it home or back to the condo. We're hanging out. All right, guys. I packed not that great this time. I thought it was gonna be hot out here, or not hot, but just reasonable to where you could just wear a jacket. I was wrong. I was so cold. I used my warmers. Look at this. So ghetto. My version of Uggs.
This neighborhood spooky than a motherfucker.
Why?
It's like some get out type shit.
What?
Just
What?
look at it. Just look at it, bro. Look, the fucking window.
I'm not looking out there. Especially.
Creepy as hell.
Yeah.
You do be getting
Hey,
creepy.
because you saw that little bitty house out there?
That's what I'm saying. Like, you gotta really kind of pay attention. You know what I'm saying? It's like,
Bryson, you're
like,
closest to the door.
it's like in a movie. I ain't got no door or nothing. I go out the back door quick as soon as I hear something. I'm gone. I'm gonna call y'all.
All right, guys, we're about to hang out. Later. Good morning, boys and girls. Y'all, it is so cold out here in Huntsville, Alabama.
Y'all.
We were not prepared.
Hold on. You don't understand. Y'all, how cold was it in Huntsville, Alabama?
Hella cold. Look,
Y'all.
I've had these little hand warmers all
Y'all,
weekend.
it was so cold that we had to have these in our hands.
I've been having these hand warmers all freaking day. I even slept with them, guys.
We put them everywhere.
Everywhere. Anyhow, thank you guys for coming out. Huntsville and Nashville, Tennessee. You guys came out on an off night and showed mad love. So thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And now we're heading back to Nashville to catch our flight.
Home.
So yeah, our flight back home. So enjoy this road trip. Here we go.
And
We finally made it home, guys. And look who I have. Give me, mommy. Hola, dile hola, mommy. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. See y'all next time.